Discussing about the number system conversions. Last class we have discussed the decimal to binary and decimal to octal conversion. To convert decimal to binary, we have divide the number by 2. To convert decimal to octal, divide the number by 8. Then to convert decimal to hexadecimal, we need to divide the number by 16. Then repeat that division till the number becomes 0. Then first remainder will be LSB and the last remainder will be MSB. Then what are all the hexadecimal numbers? 0 to 9 and A to F. A means 10. A is equal to 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. These are the numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. Then for converting decimal to hexadecimal, divide the number by 16 and repeat the division till the number becomes 0. First remainder will be LSB and the last remainder will be MSB. You can consider one example. 559 divided by 16. In 55, how many 16s are there in 55? 16 threes are 48. 16 threes are 48. Then remainder 7. In 79, how many 16s are there? 16 fours are 64. Then 79 minus 64 is equal to 50. So the remainder is 15. Okay. Then in 34, how many 16s are? 16 twos are 32. 34 minus 32 is equal to 2. So the remainder is 2. Again divide by 16. See here first remainder is 15. Second remainder 2. Third remainder also 2. Then how to write the number? We need to write the number from down to up. MSB to LSB. Then instead of writing this 15, need to write the corresponding hexadecimal number. What is the corresponding hexadecimal number for this 15? F. So instead of writing 15, we need to write 15. We need to write F. That is 559 is equal to 2 to F. What is the base radix? 16. Whenever you are writing the number, you have to write the base radix also. 2 to F. Okay. Then one more example. 862. Decimal number 862 need to convert to hexadecimal number. For that, need to divide that number by 16. Then in 86, how many 16s are there? 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. Then remainder 6. Then in 62, how many 16s are there in 62? 16 3s are 48. 62 minus 48 is equal to 14. 16 3s are 48. So the answer is 53. Remainder is 14. Okay. That is in 86. 16 5s are 80. Then remainder 6. In 62, how many 16s are there? 16 3s are 48. So the remainder is 62 minus 48, that is 14. Then again divide this number by 16. How many? 3. 16 3s are 48. 53 minus 48 is equal to 5. Then divide by 16, 0. Then what is the conversion of 862 base 10 is equal to 3, 5. Then instead of this 14, which one need to write? E. 14 is the hexadecimal representation of E. Okay. Then what is the base radix? 16. 862 base 10 is equal to 35e. Then how to convert the decimal fraction to hexadecimal fraction? For converting decimal fraction to binary fraction, we need to multiply by 2. To convert decimal fraction to octal fraction, multiply by 8. Then to convert decimal fraction to hexadecimal fraction, we need to multiply by 16. Okay, 512. Then for example, 512.45 10 to hexadecimal. Then first you need to convert this 512. This is the whole number part. Same like this we can convert. 16 3s are 48. Then 51 minus 48 is equal to 3. Then in 32, 16 2s are 32. Then 16 2s are 32. 200. Answer is 200. Then how to convert this? This much is fractional part. 52.45. Here, which is the fractional part? 0.45 is the fractional part. Then for converting this fractional part, what we need to do? 45 into 16. Then need to write the carry and product separately. 40.45 into 16 is equal to 7.2. 0.45 into 16 is equal to 7.2. Then which one need to take? This 0.2 into 16 is equal to 3.2. Then again 0.2 into 16 is equal to 3.2. Again 0.2 into 16 is equal to 3.2. This will repeat. You need to write only the 4 digits. Okay. Then how can you write? This one will be the first carry will be the MSB and the last carry will be MSB. So we need to write from up to down. Here we need to write from down to up. Here we need to write from up to down. Then 512.45 is equal to, what is the answer? 200.733316. This will be the answer. Okay. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now we have discussed all the conversions from decimal to decimal to binary, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. That is, first decimal to, if it is whole number, decimal to binary means need to divide by 2, repeat the division till the number becomes 0. Then first remainder will be LSB, last remainder is MSB. That is, we need to write from down to up. To decimal to octal means divide by 8. Decimal to hexadecimal means divide by 16. Then fractional. How to convert the fractional decimal to decimal fraction to binary and decimal fraction to octal and decimal fraction to hexadecimal. For converting decimal fraction to binary, multiply by 2 into 2. Then write the carry and product separately. Then again multiply that product by 2. Then repeat that multiplication. You can do 3 or 4 steps. Then first carry will be MSB, last carry will be LSB. To convert decimal to octal fraction, decimal fraction to octal fraction, multiply by 8. Repeat that multiplication. Then to convert decimal fraction to hexadecimal fraction, multiply the number by 16. Then continue the multiplication. Actually till the number becomes 0. It is difficult. So we can do 3 or 4 steps. Then first carry will be MSB and last carry will be LSB.